Hey folks, August 19th, trying to catch up. Remember, don't risk any money you don't have to lose. So today we on the 19th we took 7 trades and we lost big, $60, especially on BINI. I didn't record all the trades. I only recorded a couple, uh, just for you to watch. PRFX was up and started to move up right before the open. So I decided to jump in. The trades I had taken pre-market were like $1.50 and $2 winners. I was just playing it cautious because I wasn't sure what was up. And so out of the open, thought PRFX could do a little bit of a jump, could have a little bit of a jump. See my red line up there? That's what I was hoping for it to hit and move up. And there it goes. It's a good trade. Flatten out. Then we had out with a $12 profit. At this point, I think we were up $25, and we were still looking for more. And BINI, BINI, was moving up and down, and I jumped in on this one blindly, 1,000 shares, and of course, I held it, thinking that it had an opportunity to pick itself back up again, like it had done previously. But one thing, if you can look right here, you see it goes up, down, and up. Typically, when you see a stock try to go up 3 times in a row, you got to be careful, because what will probably happen is if it can't go up, it'll fall. So my clue would have been up here. If it didn't go up beyond the price here, that it was going to fall. Like and subscribe. Leave your questions and comments below. I'll try to answer them. And at this point, I was looking for a bounce off the EMAs there, and hoping that it would get up. At the same time, I started to feel sick, and needless to say, that I think that might have clouded my judgment and holding this a lot longer than I needed to. So when things like this happen, it is best if you're down, 30, 40, $50, or to a point where you're hitting a max loss for your day, just cut it. If you still have cash left, then you can go back, try to trade, and try to get back up. But holding it in this case was the wrong thing to do, as you'll see towards the end here. It just, I don't think BINI had any news. I think it was just one of those famous pump and dump penny stocks that people use and abuse. So that was my bad. Here we still had an opportunity to get out with a decent loss. But what happens is you get away from your technicals, from your strategy, and you begin to think hope. And hope and faith don't work in the market. They ain't gonna get you money. They're gonna take your money, but they ain't gonna give you any. But you see here, mixed bag on the time and sales. And look at that. We had an opportunity here. Later in the day, though, TLPH did pick up, and I went back in, and I still had cash left, so I traded that and made almost $14. And I think at the end of this trade, I was down $74. I had made 25 at the from pre-market and at the start, lost 99 on this, and then went back and made another 13 and some change. So it put us down $60 on the day overall, um, which could have been easily mitigated by, seeing here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, quadruple top. That would have been the place where to take it. That would have been down $17. But anyway, so that's the catch up. Short and sweet. Enjoy.